Hi everyone, welcome back to Gen A Tools, where we explore tools to make your creativity shine. Today, I'll show you how to use Ideogram. We'll go step by step through its main features, from the home page to designing images and customizing your work. Getting to know the home page. When you open Ideogram, the first thing you'll see is the home page. It's simple and easy to use. You'll find your recent projects, design templates, and helpful tips to get started. One cool section here is the updates. It shows you all the new features and improvements. Take a minute to explore. It's a great way to see what's possible. And while you're here, don't forget to click subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Using the Creation tab. Now, let's look at the Creation tab. You'll find it in the sidebar. Click on it, and you'll see a clean workspace ready for your ideas. This is where you can start a new design. Choose a template or create something completely unique. You can set the size, try out different layouts, and even use AI to help you design faster. What would you create with this? Share your ideas in the comments. I'm excited to hear them. Working with the canvas. Next, let's check out the canvas. This is like your personal art studio. You can insert and customize images, text, and shapes, move things around, change colors, and even add animations. There's also a grid feature to help you align everything perfectly. It's super handy for keeping your designs neat. If you're enjoying this video so far, give it a like and let me know in the comments. Making prompts work for you. Now let's talk about the prompt expansion feature. It's an excellent tool to inspire fresh ideas. Just type a short description of what you want, like logo with clean lines and bright colors, and Ideogram will suggest different options. You can keep refining these ideas until they're exactly what you need. Once you try this, you'll wonder how you ever designed without it. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss my next video. Conclusion. And that's it. We've covered the homepage, Creation tab, Canvas tools, and prompt expansion. Ideogram is such a powerful tool for creating designs, and it's super easy to use. If this video helped you, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what tutorials you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and keep creating.